Hello everyone, Lisa from Epic Yarn Gems. Today I'm going to be doing a stitch tutorial, and the stitch that we're going to be learning together is the link stitch. You want to start with a row of single crochets. I'm using a blanket that I was going to put a border on, and you're going to do a chain 3. Now I'm going to slow down the video a little bit so you can see exactly where I'm placing these stitches. So after the chain 3, I am going to go into the second loop from the hook. I'm going to yarn over and I'm going to pull up a loop. That will put 2 loops on my hook. Then I am going to go into the next chain. I'll yarn over again, pull up another loop, and I'll have 3 loops on my hook. Then I'm going to go into the single crochet from the foundation row that you're working from, the next one over, and I'm going to yarn over and pull up a 4th loop. So with 4 loops on my hook, I'm going to yarn over, pull through the first loop, and that will still leave 4 loops on my hook. I will yarn over again, and then what we're going to do is we're going to go through the next 2 loops, leaving 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through the next 2 loops, leaving 2 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pulling through the last 2. And that is how you are going to start your link stitch off of a single crochet row. What we're going to do next is we're going to go into that first band. It looks like a little bit of a band, but it's the first stitch. Yarn over, pull up a loop. You're going to go down to the next one, yarn over and pull up another loop, 3 loops on your hook, and yarn over, and you are going to go right into that single crochet foundation row. Yarn over, pull through the first loop, yarn over, pull through the next 2, yarn over through the next 2, yarn over and through the last 2. And that is the repeat for a link stitch. This has some of the characteristics of the Tunson type of crocheting, I believe is how it's said. I saw Jane from Scraptastic Yarn do this, and I thought it'd make a really cute border, and it does make a really cute border. It just didn't go with this corner to corner how I had liked it, but it is a great border. It is a great stitch. Um, it is rather easy once you get going. Now for this example, I started with a chain 3, and when I made this, I was only going up and down that 3. But if you wanted to do 4 or 5 or 6 or 7, however many you wanted to do, you just would have more loops on your hook as you finished out, and it would make a longer link. The one thing that I really like how this looks is it kind of creates a band of stitches, like a straight line across the border. So I will definitely be using this in other projects. It just didn't really work for the corner to corner blanket that I was doing. I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial on the link stitch. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave me a comment and I will get back with you. Also, don't forget to share the video on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. I have put all of my Epic Yarn Gem links down below, so feel free to do that. And as always, peace, love, and happiness to you all. Take care, and I really hope you enjoy this stitch. Drop me some pictures if you want to share. Take care.